Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. My YouTube channel name is GGC Organic Chemistry. During this time of pandemic, as you people have to face a lot of problem in your learning process. So this is a small effort from my side in order to help you people in your studies. On this channel, inshallah, further we will upload different videos of chemical reaction and their mechanism. As I have tried my best to explain those reactions and their mechanism in a best way, but still if you people find any question, anything ambiguous in that video, you can ask from me in comment section. You will be answered in comment section. And furthermore, if you people want to give any suggestion regarding videos, you can also give that suggestion in the comment section. And I think this would help us to make our videos more effective. Thank you so much.